Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's tutorial we'll be looking at Yahweh Sabaoth by Nathaniel Bassey, and I'm going to make it a very short one, very similar to how we did Give Me Oil. So this one I'm just going to fuse the two into one. So if you are used to capo, the key was in F, is in F. So know your A minor, F, G, or maybe you can use the E minor. Maybe it sounds better than A minor. So Yahweh Sabaoth. So A minor, F, G, A minor, F, and G, A minor. The Lord of hosts, the Lord of hosts, D minor, the King, E minor, of glory, A minor, Yahweh Sabaoth, then G, Sabaoth, A minor, the Lord of hosts, D minor, the E minor, King of glory, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh, A minor. So I'm going to remove the capo. So if you're using a capo, you can follow as I'm playing it. So we're going to use a loop. So since it's in F, I'm not going to call the chords names. Maybe I'll put it on the screen. Kindly follow. So the 6, 4, 5, or maybe the 3. I kind of like the 3, but anyway, that works for you. Then the 6. Yeah. Okay, I'll do the 5. Yahweh Sabaoth, 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 the Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh Sabaoth, the Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh, Yahweh. Then do some freestyle. So if you know the other bar chord shape, you can try and play around. These are the same chords, but played in different shapes and different positions. So the Lord of hosts, the Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh Sabaoth, the Lord of hosts, the King of glory, Yahweh, Yahweh. So I think that's it for this tutorial. At least you'll be able to play any song, try fixing chords, listen to the song and the chords that fill in those spaces. The song, if you're able to spell out the notes. And you see that it ended on the la, so maybe you know that last chord is the la. Sometimes it doesn't fit that way, but it comes with hearing practice, and also if you're able to hear the chord that they are playing in the song, try and listen with your headphones or earphones, and you'll be good. Thank you for watching this video this far, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed. The notification bell, I always forget about the notification bell. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Give a like and leave in the comment section if you have any questions and any clarifications, anything that you want me to work on. Thank you, and see you next time.